Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do a flat twist. So you need your afro, of course, a spray bottle, leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using Sheer Moisture, a curling cream. I love me some Cantu, and an oil. In there I've just got olive oil and clips for sectioning, and of course a wide tooth comb. So I start off by sectioning the front portion of my head, and all I'll be doing here is making a middle path and holding it open with my clips. Okay, I have to point out that this is not like a perfect science. I like to use my fingers when I'm styling my hair. I don't necessarily always use a comb. So what I'm doing next is I'm making a line that is parallel to my hairline. So from this middle line that I've created in the beginning of the video, I'm making a line that is it perpendicular or adjacent? I don't know. But you guys get what I'm saying. Just watch the video. And from there, I'm taking my clips and I'm holding back the section behind the section that I've created. Now I'm spritzing my hair with my spray bottle, and I'm also using this opportunity to detangle my hair a bit. I won't lie to you, it had been a minute since I'd really detangled my hair, so the water makes it easier for my comb to move through my hair. After wetting your hair, it's extremely important that you use a leave-in conditioner. This helps retain your hair's moisture, and it assists your hair in fighting the breaking process. When I use leave-in conditioner, I generally like using the lock method. So that's leave-in, oil, as you saw I put on my hair, and a cream. Make sure that you are getting the product from the roots until the ends of your hair, specifically your ends, because your ends are probably the most vulnerable during this whole growing process. Okay, so now I'm starting to flat twist my hair, and what I do is I take a small portion of my hair, I grab another section underneath it, and I wrap the second section over the first section. So if you didn't get that the first time, don't worry, I'm going to demonstrate it again. It took me a while to kind of get to do this like really quick, but it's honestly one of my favorite twist methods, because it's really, once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. Okay guys, I follow the same process. So I spray, detangle, leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. And pay attention now, I'm going to show you how to twist the hair. So as I said earlier, two sections. Section 1, and then I take section 2 and I wrap it over section 2. And then I'm going to continue this process, and I'm going to grab another section and I'm going to connect that to section 2, and then I'm going to wrap section 1 over section 2 and 3. So you'll keep doing this process, basically wrapping one section or two sections of hair over another until you get to the end of the line. You'll find that your fingers will naturally lead you to this motion and you'll be like, voila, I'm at the end. So guys, what I absolutely love about natural hair is that you can do a twist and the twist will just stay. Like, I absolutely love that about natural hair. But sometimes when you do the twists, you'll feel that it's not as tight as you'd like to have it. So, I mean, don't be shy to retwist it so that you get the desired level of tightness. If that's even a word. Okay guys, so what I normally do is I have 3 parallel lines on both sides of my hair, and then after that I use, you'll see that I'm going to section my hair at the back in 3. It might be a little bit different on your hair depending on the density of your hair and depending on how thick you'd actually like the flat twist. Mine aren't that thin, but what I like about this sectioning, the way I section my hair, is that I can wear a wig over it, which is a major plus for me because I honestly hate doing cornrows. Okay, so you can see I am sectioning, I'm doing the first of the 3 sections at the back of my head. Yeah, look, I told you this is not going to be the neatest tutorial. I don't think that, for me, doing natural hair has to be a perfect science. At the end of the day, I still got the desired look that I wanted, so I was really happy. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm just about done. And what I normally do is I will wear these flat twists under my wig, and obviously I let it dry first. And I'm gonna undo it so you can see what the final result is. Okay guys, so that's it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and please like and share. Thank you so much for watching.